I don't want the money. Mm. Let's see. Let's see. Expecting this to be a continuation where I'm at. Let's see what happens. I'm expecting this to be a bounce up, at least. This rejection block here. Why? Is because we have an SMT here, technically. This, we could easily bounce off from this area right here. This top half of this wick. But I'm trying to get the CE of this wick here. Let's see if we get tagged. If not, then it's cool. I had my first entry limit here, but then I was like, oh, fuck, I'll just get it the CE. We'll see what happens here. We're rejecting it pretty nicely here, unfortunately. Good morning, everyone. Yeah, no, it looks like I had my limit here at first, and then I was like, fuck it. You know what? I'm just going to go CE of this wick. And it looks like that we just bottom tick this area, and now we just are running up. But this limit here is still valid to me. So I'm just gonna keep holding it until otherwise. But right now, this green box, this upper half of this wick held, which is good. But like I said, it's all good. It's all good. We just wait. This rejection block is still valid to me. I'm not worried about it. Rejection blocks is like the same thing as always. I'm doing the same thing I've always been doing. The rejection block is just more of a safer. I'm just waiting for the rejection block to form. Hi. This one. Let's see. What are you doing? Nothing. Alright, okay, go. Okay, I make a video. Go. Call me. I make a video. Okay. See you later. Okay, I'll come back. Okay. Okay. Goodbye. Can you close the door? Can you close the door? Goodbye. Go. You're so silly, man. You're so silly, man. I'll probably go. Oh my goodness. Alright, we shall see what happens. Stop loss is only like 7 points. Because, but I'm going. This is technically like 1 mini here. Risking about $200 here. Like I said, this rejection block is still valid to me. So we'll see what happens here. Is that rejection block still valid even if it touched the box already? It technically is. Only until, for me, it is still valid until we create SMT at the highs, or like if we are obviously in bearish order flow. But it looks to me that we are in bullish order flow anyways, because we're breaking above highs, etc. So that's why I'm bullish, and this is why I'm still expecting this bullish rejection block to hold, because we know, first of all, we have no SMT at the highs, rejection block, and bullish order flow. What are you targeting? I'm targeting a 3R. I'm just gonna target like a 3R. Yo, what's up?
Order filled.
We got tagged. See how this plays out. Stop loss is at this rejection block low. I want to target this high, but I'll take some off at like this 3R here. Let's see what happens here. I like this reaction that we're having right now. I'll go stop loss here. Actually, no, let's just hold this shit.
Order filled.
Alright, it's all good. Bro, we had a fucking reaction off of here, so that's all that matters. We almost got 3R. It's fine. I'm chilling. We just wait here. I'm not worried about it. Bro, we had a reaction off of this level here. That's all that matters. Like, we had a reaction tagged here, push up. The reaction here tagged up, pushed up. Was almost 3R, but couldn't quite get it. Perhaps this is just a liquidity sweep, and now we're going up. Perhaps I'll... Yeah, oh, we have a 15-minute for riding up under, bro. What are you doing? Like, shut the fuck up, pussy. Like, bro, just shut up, bro. Like, you're not good. Like, you're not good, bruv. Like, you're not that good, bruv. What? Yeah, I'm calling everyone out. I don't give a fuck. Calling everyone out. Calling everyone. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. How you chopped and unprofitable at the same time? How are you still like? How are you like GAY? Yeah, that's bro. That's why you lost. I don't give a fuck if I lost. I was confident in that trade. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. How am I rage bait? I mean dead ass. I mean dead serious. Could you try to put your entry where your stop loss would be? No jokes. I'm gonna re-enter here pretty soon. I'm gonna re-enter off of this rejection block here if we do create it. I saw you take the exact same setup last time. Same same thing happened. Do you journal? I don't journal, but I usually take the same thing every time. I know. I'm gonna re-enter after this can closes. Take entry, bro. Alright, bro. No, I'm looking for longs. Nah, bro, just do the opposite of what you're trying to do. Trying to go long short. Q standing on his ground at big 2025. I have to, bro. Tired of all these haters, bro. Like, you're not that good either, bro. None of you guys are that good, bro. Like, let's be real. Let's be real. Let's be fucking real. Thank you. I mean, technically, I do journal, like here, in my recaps here. They don't know what I know, cause when the sun goes down, someone's talking back. You lost. It's something. What happened? Okay, usually you situation we get assuming less entry, not easy. I'm being serious. Okay, wait, did you do the CPI method yesterday? I did not do the CPI method yesterday. Let's see what happens here, though. Yeah, the draw. Yeah, this draw is fine. I'm just perhaps like there. Perhaps I could have just gone broke even or something, maybe. But I was stubborn with my 3R. Talking to a moon. I don't do the CPI method anymore, bro. Too many bad memories. All right, if this candle closes, I'll go ahead and take it. If this candle closes like within this range, I'll take it. Cause every night I'm talking to the moon. 12 contracts here. Stop loss here.
Order filled.
Let's retry these longs. Obviously, I want to target this high up here, but I'm gonna take like 90% of my positions off of this 2R here or this 3R here. So that's like what, 11? Taking all three of my I'm taking 11 contracts off of this high or at this area. Oh shit. Should be fine here.
Order filled.
What is happening? Is my bias just incorrect? And I can't believe you're hurting me. And every girl are different. What you see in her, you ain't seeing me. Let's see. Oh, like, motherfucker, I'm not worried, bro. Why should I be worried? I'm still up on this week, bro. I'm still up on this week making bread. I'm still up on the week, bro. I'm not worried about it at all. You guys are tripping. Let's see. Is my draw on liquidity wrong? No. I don't think so. Right? We're probably just going to retrace hard. You're better off gambling? Alright, bro. And you're better off, like, being, like, GAY, bro. Fuck it, bro. You heard me, bro. You go, fuck. What SMT, bro? What SMT are we talking about, bro? What SMT, bro? There's literally no SMT, man. There's literally no SMT. Oh my goodness. There's no SMT, bro. You guys are tripping. Never knew what I was missing. Alright, so no payout yet, man. I'm up on the week though. I'm up 400 on the week. Or 335 on the week. No, I'm blowing orange gone. To fade away. I'll just sit back and relax and just wait for another setup. Why not entering less cons and then adding if you are right? I guess I don't want my field to be all messed up and like I just enter because I'm anticipating like if you're like expecting like a level to hold, if you're expecting this price action not to come back down to this wick here, you might as well just enter here and stop loss at this low with a lot of your contracts here. And I'm not risking much anyways. I'm risking like $200 per trade. Why are you risking $200 on a 100 account? I'm just used to that $200 risk now, bro, to be honest with you. I mean, perhaps you could say we're not in a fucking discount of the range, but we have no SMT at the highs. I was expecting this area to just pump back up and take the high out. Yes, but if you see example after 5 cons entry, 5 variable, and then 5 other, you could keep adding. I see. That makes sense. That makes sense. Trying to figure out. Yes, this is a qualified account. I have like 3 qualifieds, low key. Hold on, let me. Wait, where's it at, bro? We shall see what happens, man. I feel like my drawn liquidity wasn't wrong. Like I just perhaps I'm just too early. Wow, that depth is crazy. Wow, we are just dumping. Like these are the trades that I would take like originally anyways. That's the thing. Like maybe I need to go break even faster. We got reaction and then we were up a little bit. Like reaction. Stop loss at the low. I took this long here. And then I also took a long here. I mean, they both of these trades gave me nice reaction levels to go off of. It's fine. We tap EQ of this range. I'm pretty sure. I would just wait here. I wouldn't take this personally. Yeah, no, adding could definitely be a thing for sure. Like, I'll probably like if I do see it on the one or something after entering off a higher top of rejection block. But not really avalanche, emo, bitch average. I'm not getting into this one. This rejection block's not valid to me. I use your code on my phone. If you blew the account in seconds, your code is a curse. Yo, that's crazy. 572 was the low of the bearish order block. The fourth close of 526. Hence the short was below. I see. Yeah, but the higher timer was just like, oh my goodness, bro. Bro, can you show how to take a trade on a funded account? Wait, can you show how to take a trade on the funded account? What do you mean? How was it today? I took two losses so far. I'm gonna try to take another one. All you gotta do is just meet me at the opposite. What is that?
What is this? It turned to black.
What is that?
Turned to black. It turned to black.
What is that?
I don't know.
Is this your toy?
No?
Throw it away in the trash. No, I didn't like this trade because there was no SMT divergence. I'm okay with missing this trade. I didn't see any SMT divergence, so I didn't take it. Now, if there was SMT divergence here, I would have taken it. Yeah, I don't look at YM, unfortunately. Not unfortunately, I just don't look at YM. Like this high is going to be the draw liquidity, bro, most likely. How do you put the how do you put the stop the ST and TP with the blue and red thing without putting numbers in it here? How do you put the stop loss and the TP with a blue? Oh yeah, I think you just um you just have to change it to like ticks if that's what you mean. Put it. What's your maximum loss limit at? 2,000 or it's at 3. I technically have 4K. of drawdown. Today was tough for me. I'm not getting on this investor for yet. This is no. This is a qualified. This is a funded account. I can't get on this. I can't get on this, bro. Like I said, if we create some sort of SMT, I'll take it. But as of right now, I'm still bullish here. Something Wong. That's crazy. Now, see, if I was to be racist, then everyone's on my ass. You know what I mean? If I were to be racist, like, it's just like, oh, Misty baby. Oh. Just understand it's not like me to give my heart away. All right, guys. I'm still giving away an iPad and like 2 pairs of shoes that I'll just give away. Fuck it. And then like 2 alphas and 2 Tradifys. I'm frozen. Oh, the camera died. Hold on, give me 1 second. I think that we probably could save tears. Just understand it's not like me to give my heart away. Ay. Now you taking bitches and it's hard to take. Ay. Oh my goodness, why is it so close? SMT the 30-second, bro? Bro, stop. What the heck is happening? You said to me, baby, you was all in. I think that we probably should have stayed friends. I think that we probably could have saved tears. Just understand it's not like me to give my heart away. Ay. Wow, the camera's not working. I don't know why it's not working. We shall see. I'm bullish, but price action isn't giving me anything. But I don't know why the camera's not working. But I'm probably going to end the stream here. I'll take stuff and then I'll just make a trade recap on it. Because, yeah, bro. Other than that, guys, I took 2 L's on stream today, unfortunately. I'll make sure to journal this. I'll make sure to recap this. But, yeah, other than that, guys, I will see you guys all Monday when we trade.